Guys, so today we are here to solve the daily LeetCode challenge for the day. After a long hiatus, we are back, and we are back because we love doing this, no doubt about it. So let's try to solve this problem in a way which definitely is going to make us happy. So let's first go through the problem statement, and then we'll be trying to solve this problem. So in order to understand the problem statement, what we'll be doing that we'll go through this. So it is saying that you are given a zero indexed string s and a zero indexed integer array spaces. So two things are given to us: a string s and a integer array spaces. That integer array spaces describes the indices in the original string where spaces will be added. Each space should be inserted before the character at the given index. Okay, each space should be inserted before the character at the given index. So at the indexes which are there in the spaces array, we have to insert first the space character, and then after inserting the space character, we have to insert the character which was there in that index. Okay, so this is pretty much simple. If we just solve this problem keeping this in mind, we'll be able to solve this. So what are the things that we need? First of all, we'll need the length of this given string, and also we need to find the spaces dot length. Okay, after doing this, what we'll be doing for int I is equal to 0, I less than n plus I. So we'll be going through this string s, and if we encounter the I which is there in that spaces array, the index I which is equal to one of the values in the spaces array, then in those situation we'll be putting the space in the resulting value. But since we have to keep the result somewhere, so let's declare one string builder. String builder is equal to new like this, and then if I is equal to spaces of j like this, I is equal to spaces of j like this, then we will be going through so we'll be appending this sb dot append. Okay, and then we'll be incrementing this j. Why we are not incrementing this j like this? Okay, why? Because every time we go through, for every value of I, will be executing this statement at this condition at line number 7. This condition, particularly this condition, will be executed at every value of I. And if we keep on incrementing j for every value of I, it may be the case that j overshoots the bounds of the spaces array. So we cannot do this here. Okay, we can only do this here, and that too after doing this, it is a possibility that after doing this for the last time, we are going to overshoot the m value. Okay, so we always have to be putting this check. Okay, and after this, what we'll have to do, since we have added the space, now only thing remaining is that we add the s dot charat of I. Okay, and then after doing all this, we'll be just doing sb dot to string. So this is going to convert the string builder into the string, and then we'll be returning that back. Okay, and now let's run this. Oh, so we have to declare this j here, and j is equal to 0. Perfect. Now there is one thing, if you observe, we clearly know what are the values, what is the length of this string builder. Since we know beforehand, instead of this string builder, can we not use the character array? Definitely we can do that, and that is going to expedite our solution. So let's try to use this character array. Okay, remove this as well from here. Char, like this, and then instead of doing this, so see, we have to have one index to traverse the character array as well. So let's declare one more index here, and then this character array will be k plus plus like this. And then what we will do, like this. Okay, and then we have to use this string constructor, and in this string constructor we'll pass this character array as b, and that's how we'll be able to convert this. So let's run this. Perfect. So definitely some improvement is observed. Some more improvement can be observed if we convert this given string into s.toCharArray like this, and then we will take this SAR like this, and then we'll run this. So this is one more way to solve this problem. But there is one more way. I mean to say, this is one way, but there is one more way to solve this problem. And in that, what we are going to do, let me show that as well. So since there are some values in the spaces array, and these are integer values, so we'll be doing like this, and then while let's say j is less than I, then in this SB array we will be appending j plus plus is equal to SARR j k plus plus. Okay, and after doing this, what we will do, and after doing this, what we will do, that we will take this SB j plus plus is equal to like this, and then while k is less than n, while k is less than n, okay, while k is less than n, then we will be doing while k is less than n, what we'll be doing that we'll be putting SB of j plus plus is equal to SAR of k plus plus, and finally we'll be returning this SB string SB. While j is less than I, this is correct. J, no, while k is less than I, so k plus plus will do. Okay. Perfect. So see, there is this one thing which I wanted to point out, that there is this there are two nested loops, but even then this solution is the fastest. So this is something which we have to ponder over, that why this solution is the fastest. I mean to say, if somebody looks at the previous submissions, he will be thinking that those will be the fastest, but here a nested loop solution is beating all other solution. So this is the beauty of computer science that we have to keep in mind. So with this food for thought, I mean to say, we should figure out why this is acting, this is the fastest solution, why not some other solution is the fastest, and this is what we have to figure out. With this, now I would like to close this cast. Let's meet some other day.